Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Muhammad bin Masalimi, S71152 from K3. So today I'm going to present my individual assignment ACT3513. So first thing first, we need to do a table. So first, I'm doing the table for customer. So we fill the field name is customer ID, then customer name, then here we write city, state, and credit limit. So the credit limit, we change the short text to currency, and then we review, and then we save. Then we do another table that name inventory. So right here we write item ID, and then short text, and then here we do a description. This we do standard cost. This we change to currency, and then here we list price, currency again, and then quantity on hand. Here we use a short text. Sorry, here we use a number. And then we do another table. Then we design table name, sales. Sales, we write here invoice, short text, sales date, date and time, sales person, short text, customer ID, amount, currency, and then we save. Then we do another table name, sell invoice, sell inventory. So invoice first, and then short text, and then item ID, short text, and then quantity, and then the quantity we use numbers, sell price, currency, and then we save. Yes. So next, what we're going to do is, we already have 4 table. So we need to key in the data from the question. So here I'm keying the data for customer. So let's finish the key in first until the sell inventories. So here I already met the relationship between the 4 tables. So customer, sales, inventories, and then so here I'm going to do question 1, which is, the question is, for which item are there at least 100 unit in quantity on hand. So we need to do a query first, and then select inventory item description, quantity on hand, then we put on the criteria more or equal 100. And then here we click right, and then this is the answer for question A. Then we do the question B. What the item number, price and quantity of each item sold on invoice number 103. So we do like this. We use two table. So here is the answer for the question B. Next question is, which customer made purchase from Martinez, provide customer name and salesperson. Okay, so here my solution. So we use two table, customer, sales, salesperson, and customer name with the criteria for salesperson is Martinez. And then we click here we click the properties and then click again inside the query. Okay, and then we change the unique value to yes. Okay, so run, then we get the answer for question C. Next we do a question D. List invoice sales that present customer names and amount for invoice whose amount is more than 1,500. Sort the amount largest to smallest. So here we use two table, customer sales and then invoice sales that, salesperson, customer names, then we amount sales, and then we do like that, and we got the answer for question D. Next is the question E. List invoice item ID, description, sale price, list price, quantity, and compute the extension sales price quantity for all items sold where the sale price is different than the list price, sort by item ID and descending order. So here we use two table here, inventory and sale inventory. So this is my solution. We do sales price times quantities, and then at the sale price with list price, and then descending. Then we click run, and then we got the answer for D. For E. Okay, here's the answer for question E. So this I'm do it again to check, to do a recheck. So yeah, we use the same invoice, ID, description, sale price, list price, quantity, and sales price times quantity. And then yeah, here we do list price, and then here we put descending. Again, we got the same amount. Yeah, this is for question E. So next is question F. Compute the profit margin for each item sold. Calculate the profit margin as sale price minus standard cost divide sale price. List invoice sale that item ID, sale price, quantity, and compute profit margin. Sort by profit margin in descending order. So here is my solution. We use three table, inventory, sales, and sales inventory. We put invoice, sales date, item ID, sales price, quantity, and here we put the formula sale price minus standard cost divide sale price. And then we use descending. We click run, and then we got the answer for question F. This is all the answer for question F. And then next we move to question G, which is compute the profit for each line of the invoice. Calculate the profit as sale price minus standard cost times quantity. List invoice sales date, item ID, sale price, quantity, and compute profit. So by invoice in ascending, then profit in descending order. So we use three table here, inventory, sales, and sales inventory. We put invoice, sales, item inventory, item ID, sale price, quantity. We use the formula, and then we click run, and then we got the answer for question G. Now we move to question H. How many sales transactions were made in October? Name your output column. Num of sales. Okay, so we use sales table only, and then we fill num of sales count. Num of sales count and then we use month, sales date, and then we put 10, and then we unclick the right button, and then we click run, then we get the answer there. So here we go to answer question I, which is how many customer live in Arizona. List the state and count of customer. We use a customer table, state, and then count of customer, and then we do we click the sum at the above, and then we change the group by to count, then add Z the criteria. So we got 3 for the answer I. Next is question J. How many customers live in each state? List the state of count of customers. Sort the list alphabetically by state. So here I'm doing it by using customer table. So here the state, then we put the formula count of customer, and then we click sum symbol, and then we change group by to count, and then sort ascending. Here I'm doing it wrong, so I do it again. Okay, so yeah, we do it again. So there, we click run, and we got the answer for question question J. So now we do question K. How much did each salesperson based on sales amount? List salesperson and total amount. Sort from largest total to smallest. So here we do the question, and then we got the answer here. And then lastly, we used to do the question for how many unit of each item were sold. List item ID, description, and total sort on total sort in ascending order. So we use two table here: inventory, sell inventory, item ID, description, and total sort quantity. We used to click the sum at the above. Okay, and then we save. So this is the answer for question L. So that's it from me. Thank you.